What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to use Wells Fargo bill pay option, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, Wells Fargo is a banking platform, offers you online bill pay. So basically you can discover how easy it is to pay bills online with Wells Fargo. Of course, you can pay bills in less time, no more checks to write, envelopes to find, or stamps to buy. Set it up, basically set up your bill amount and they'll pay it. Initial setup is quick and easy. Basically you can keep track and view your payment history and help stay in control by knowing who's getting paid and by when. If you want, they'll send you an email confirmation of your payments, and actually you can pay bills with your mobile app. Download the Wells Fargo mobile app to schedule and pay bills securely right from your mobile device. And of course they guarantee your payment. Basically it will be sent as scheduled, provided you have sufficient funds. You can also set up email bill reminders when a payment is due or to confirm they have sent it. Basically you can start set up payees. Your Wells Fargo credit card and loans are already there. Schedule your payment, amounts to pay, and when to pay them. Set up auto pay and they'll take care of the bill. You set the rules on timing and the amount and they follow them, and of course they send you payment as you tell them and confirm it with emails. Of course you can get e-bills, you can view e-bills with your bill pay services or print whenever it's convenient. So guys, basically those are the steps and how to use online bill pay with Wells Fargo. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.